Good day to our esteemed panel of assessors and inventors. We are Team Kokina Club representing the Marine Science Program at UKM. Today we are proud to introduce our business venture, Eco Marine Composite Tiles. Our business tagline is simple, stepping into a clearer future, one tile at a time. Our core mission is to bridge the missing link in our local circular economy by intercepting dangerous coastal waste before it damages our oceans and transforming it into premium, sustainable architectural solutions. Allow me to introduce our dedicated management team. My name is FATIHAH, alongside my co-founder DALILAH, AZIRRA and FARAH LYANA. Today, we handle everything from environmental R&D to B2B marketing operations.
So now, here's come the problem. Based on these slides, there are a few problems that we got here, which are coastal crisis, severe marine hazards, commercial waste inefficiency, the systemic gap, and negative economic fallout. So, during our primary field research and site visit to Pantai Remis in Perak, our team uncovered a severe environmental and economic crisis. First, massive quantities of abandoned fishing nets, known as coast nets, are left tangled directly in our coastal mangrove and beach. This creates an ongoing deadly physical hazard for marine biodiversity. Second, we observe that local commercial seafood stalls and market generate an overwhelming volume of sharp seashell waste every single day because there is total lack of structural disposal system at the fishing jetties. This waste is simply thrown back into the sea or left as useless trash on the coast. This unmanaged pollution not only ruins the natural ecosystem, but it also creates physical hazards for visitors and leave an incredibly poor impression on international tourists, damaging our local tourism economy.
So, the question is, what is the solution to all this problem? To solve this, Kokina Club introduces the Eco Marine Composite Tile, which is a highly durable, innovative building material manufactured out of 100% recycled marine and coastal waste. By applying the Scamper design framework, we have completely re-engineered traditional flooring. First, we substitute standard, environmentally damaging cement and industrial calcium carbonate with highly refined crushed seashell powder as our primary structural filler. And next, we combine recycled fishing nets, glass shards, and marine-based bioresins made from plastic waste to form an incredibly strong reinforced composite material. We also modify the tile surface texture to be completely anti-slip by utilizing marine biomimicry patterns, specifically mimicking fish scales to guarantee absolute physical safety in wet coastal areas. And finally, we eliminate synthetic chemical dyes completely. Instead, our tiles feature stunning, unique aesthetic appearance drawn entirely from the natural organic pigments of the collected seashells. And to sum it all, based on the material that we have used to make this tile, it gives a lot of advantages. First of all, it is durable and anti-slip, which is very strong, safe to step on, and very long-lasting. Second, it is eco-friendly and sustainable, which are made from recycled ocean materials. And next, they are water and salt resistant, which are perfect for coastal and resort areas. Last but not least, they are beautiful by nature, thus they have a unique textures and inspired by the sea.
Now, you might be wondering, who is this product actually for? Our first target market is homeowners who want stylish and eco-friendly materials for their homes. Next, we focus on property developers as sustainable building materials are becoming increasingly important in modern construction projects. We also target architects and interior designers who are always looking for innovative and sustainable design solutions. In addition, hotels and resorts can use our tiles to enhance both aesthetic and environmental responsibility. Lastly, our product appeals to environmentally conscious consumers who support recycling and green living. With the growing demand for sustainable products, our Eco Marine Composite Tile has growth potential across both residential and commercial markets.
Next, presenting our channels and relationship. To capture this market, we utilize a highly strategic business-to-business or B2B commercial strategy. Our primary channels are direct sales partnership with coastal resort developers, active corporate participations in sustainable construction trade fairs, and a highly visual online portfolio showcasing the dramatic before and after transformations of marine trash into a luxury tiles. When it comes to customer relationship, we emphasize deep collaborations. We offer a co-creation model, allowing resorts owner to design bespoke tile textures and custom patterns specifically tailored to their property's unique aesthetic. Furthermore, we provide certified data validations to help our client boost their green brand image and secure official green building certifications. Most importantly, we are reversing the traditional supply chain by establishing waste collection hubs directly at these fishing jetties. We turn waste recovery into rewarding community-based incentive program for local fishermen.
Next, we're talking about the revenue streams of our product. Our business model canvas is designed to drive three highly scalable and clear revenue streams. Our core revenue streams come from direct product sales of the eco-marine composite tiles, distribute via B2B, business-to-business, wholesale and retail, priced dynamically per square meter. Our secondary revenue stream comes from custom design fees. We charge premium rates for producing specialized bespoke architectural textures as well as manufacturing of custom mold artificial reef restoration modules for marine conservation organization. Our third revenue stream is value-added consultancy. Leveraging our specialized background in marine science, we advise coastal developers on how to seamlessly integrate marine waste and circular economy principles into their physical infrastructure.
Next is the key items. Executing this venture successfully requires a perfectly synchronized operational foundation. Our key partners form a tight network. Local fishermen and seafood stall owners serve as our primary raw material suppliers. Marine conservation NGOs partner with us for environmental advocacy and reef restoration projects, while local government authorities provide critical structural support for coastal waste management and green regulatory licensing. For our key activities, which we only focus on three main areas, which the logistics of intercepting and meticulously washing coastal waste, technical manufacturing R&D to green shells and mold the composite materials, and also aggressive B2B brand storytelling. These activities are powered by our key resources, which include an abundant, low-cost supply of discarded marine waste, specialized industrial grinding and high-pressure composite molding machinery, and deep-rooted trust within the local coastal community.
Now, let's talk about the estimate cost of producing our eco-marine composite tile. To keep production affordable, we use recycled materials such as seashell, fishing net, and plastic waste, which help reduce raw material costs while promoting sustainability. Most of the production costs come from processing the material, manufacturing, and the binding used to combine the component into a durable tile. Overall, our estimate production cost is approximately Rm500 per batch, making it a cost-effective and environmentally friendly alternative to conventional tiles. By transforming waste into a valuable product, we can reduce environmental pollution while creating economic value for the future. In conclusion, our eco-marine composite tile demonstrate how marine waste can be transformed into a valuable and sustainable product. By utilizing seashell, fishing net, and plastic waste, we not only help reduce environmental pollution, but also create an eco-friendly alternative for the construction industry. With its environmental benefit, aesthetic value, and growing market demand for sustainable materials, we believe this product has strong potential for future development and commercialization. Together, we can turn marine waste into sustainable value for a greener future.